Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Do you know what is our activity for today? Tada! A smoothie bowl. This is an interesting activity. All that you need is milk. You can even use yogurt instead of milk, some papaya chunks, strawberries, kiwis and a coconut. First wash the strawberries and slice them. Nanga sneaked a few pieces of strawberries into her mouth. Then peel the skin of the kiwis and slice them.
Cut into small pieces.
Nanga loved to sneak in a few pieces again.
Okay.
Next, transfer the fruit pieces into a blender. Add milk. If you want your smoothie to be more thicker, you can add yogurt substituting the milk. To make the smoothie more colorful and appealing, we add a few drops of food coloring. You can even add honey to this combination. Close the lid and blend, blend, blend. The smoothie is now ready. Transfer it into the coconut. This activity gives kids the opportunity to taste fruits and blend them together. Develop social skills. Learn sequence and order.
Okay. Not finished.
Garnish the smoothie. Add in the papaya chunks, then the kiwis and the strawberries as toppings. Enjoy your smoothie. We would love to see your recreations. Share your recreations on our Facebook page or Instagram account and tag us. Please give us your love and support by following us on Facebook. Subscribe, share and bye-bye. Thanks for watching.